Please start.
A very good morning to everyone present here. Ravi Singh, on behalf of Delhi Public School Varanasi, welcome you to this intriguing inter-school quiz contest. Before beginning this quiz, let's pray to the Almighty. So I would request everyone to close their eyes, join their hands, and repeat after me. सर्वेऽपि सुखिनः सन्तु सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः. And now let's begin this quiz. Starting on the next slide, we have the name of the participants belonging to their respective team. First of all, we have Team A, which consists of Trishula Deshmukh of Grade 1 and Divyesh Kesarwani of Grade 2. And when we move on, we have Team B with Advait Kele, Grade 1, and Rajveer Mullani, Grade 2. And now we have Team C, Advik Singh, Grade 1, and Vishrut Chaube, Grade 2. Before beginning this quiz, let's see certain instructions which are for the team, which you all need to follow throughout the quiz. First and foremost, it is mandatory to have the camera on and remain mute throughout the quiz. You have to unmute yourself only to respond to the question. All the participants must be visible in the Zoom meeting window during the entire quiz. If the quiz team or quiz observers from the host school detect or suspect any off-screen activity that is likely to give a team an advantage over the others, that team may be disqualified. Questions will appear on screen and will be read out by the quiz master. Teams will get 30 seconds in total, with the time starting once the question is read out completely. Answer only when the question is read out completely. Give only one answer for a question. In case more than one answer is given by a team, only the first answer will be considered. So be attentive and vigilant while answering. No negative marking shall be done, and decision of the scorekeeper will be final. In case the quality of the audio and visual poor due to connectivity, a substitute question will be asked orally. So listen it carefully. All questions will be based either on a visual or an audio or both, except the substitute question. All questions will be shown only one screen. There will be no repeat of questions. So be careful. Moving on the next slide, we have some basic quiz etiquettes for all the students. Students will wear proper school uniform for the quiz. They will represent their schools. Students should sit in a quiet and well-illuminated space with sufficient light falling on their faces. There should be no light hitting the camera. Students should sit comfortably in front of the camera, wearing headphones or earphones connected with their respective devices. The device, whichever it is, mobile or laptop, through which the student will log in, should be kept stable. Each student should keep their drinking water handy if needed. Should listen carefully to all the instructions and always play fair. This is really important in the quiz. You need to be fair while answering. So best of luck to all the participants. And now on the next slide, moving on, we have 4 rounds in total in this quiz. Round 1 will be about monuments of India. Round 2, rivers and sanctuaries of India. Round 3, art, music and dance of India. And round 4 will be about famous Indians. Round 1, round 2 and round 3 will be individual rounds, whereas in round 4, your print and the team member will be there as the participants. All the 3 rounds, round 1, round 2, round 3, will be of 5 marks, and round 4 will be a clue-based marks. So next, moving on, we have round 1, Monuments of India. And here on the next slide, moving on, we will have rules for the quiz, that is rules for particular round 1. And as you will be able to see on the screen, that the rules of round 1 are as follows. There will be pictures shown related to the monuments of India. Participants will identify the monument according to their turn. Questions will appear on the screen and will be read out by the quiz master. Each team will get 30 seconds to answer, with the time starting once the question is out completely. Each team will get 5 marks for the correct answer, and in case the answer is wrong, no marks will be awarded. There should be no prompting the parent to the child with the answer. If done so, the team will be given 0 for the question. So please play fair this game. Now, moving on to the next slide, we have the first question for teammate Trisha. Which monument of India is listed in the 7 wonders of the world? Your time has started, Trisha.
Taj Mahal.
Okay, Trisha, that was really quick. Let's see whether you were wrong or right. I guess you were totally right. Moving on to the next slide, the answer slide. You know, Taj Mahal is of the UNESCO sites, and you were absolutely right. Congratulations, Tushila. Now, the next slide, please. And on the next slide, we have for the question for Team B, Advait. Advait, be ready. And the question is, identify the prominent Buddhist structure in India. Your time has started, Advait.
Ma'am, Dhamek
Well done, Advait. That was really quick. You know, Advait, Dhamek Stoop was built by Emperor Ashok in Sarnath. It's just near Varanasi. Moving on, let's see whether you're right or wrong, and it's absolutely right, Advait. Well done. For Team C, Avik Singh, identify the astronomical observatory built in 18th century in Rajasthan. Your time has started. Advik, please unmute
Jantar
yourself.
Mantar.
Wow, that was really quick. Now let's see if we were right or wrong. On the next slide, I think you were right. Now, can we have next slide, please? That's a slide. You know, Jantar Mantar is in Jaipur, Rajasthan. It was built by King Sai Jai Singh. And in the question we have for TA, Divyash. Look at the picture and identify the famous moment. Divyash, your time has started, Divyash.
Golden Temple.
Wow, Divyash, great, well done. And this team has scored 5 marks. Moving on, the answer is Golden Temple. As said, you scored 5 marks. Your team has scored 5 marks. And on the next question will be for Team B, Rajveer. Identify the famous marble monument which is in Kolkata. Your time has started, Rajveer.
Victoria Memorial.
Well done, Rajveer. And your Team B, the Team B scores 5 marks. You know, Rajveer, Kolkata is also known as City of Joy.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
Victoria Memorial is located in Kolkata. The answer is Victoria Memorial. Now for Team C, Vishnu, name the monument which has 953 windows, and your time starts now.
Hawa Mahal.
Wow, Vishnu,
Right?
that was
Am I right?
really quick. Let's see. Moving on to the next slide, the answer slide. And it's Hawa Mahal. Well done. Can we have scoreboard for the round 1, please? Okay, so this is the board and all the three teams.
So team A has scored 10 points, team B is at 10 points, and team C is at 10 points too. Well done, all teams.
Congratulations to all the three teams. It's a good start. Very well done. And I think that in the upcoming rounds, you all will maintain the same pace. Hoping for that. And now moving on, this is the round 2, rivers and sanctuaries in India. On the next slide, we will be having certain rules about round 2. So moving on next slide. Rules for the round 2 as follows. There will be pictures shown related to the rivers and sanctuaries of India. Participants will identify them as per the turn of their team. Questions will appear on screen and will be read out by the master. Teams will be getting 30 seconds to answer, with the time starting one question is read out completely. Each team will get 5 marks for the correct answer, and in case the answer is wrong, 0 marks will be awarded. There should be no prompting by the parent to child with the answer. If done so, the team will be awarded 0 for that question. So keep that in mind. For teammate Trisha, name the river that goes through the city of Ayodhya, and the time starts now.
Sharda.
Let's see whether it was right or wrong. Only one answer be taken up. Next slide, please. The answer slide. It's River Saryu, so Trishula. You will be getting 0. Your team will be getting 0 for this question. Moving on, for team B, Kele, identify a river which originates as well as in the territory of India. Your time starts now, Advait. Advait, the question is on the screen. Time has already started. Team B, Advait.
Ma'am, Chambal.
Okay, let's see whether it was right or wrong. Only one answer will be taken up, the first answer. And moving on to the next slide. I think you were totally right. And the answer is Chambal. Well done. 5 marks. For team C, Advik Singh, name the 3 rivers which form Sangam at Prayagraj. And the time starts now, Advik.
Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati.
Well done, Advik. Well done. Out of these 3 rivers, Ganga and Yamuna are visible, but Saraswati is more visible at Prayagraj. Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati. 5 marks for your team. Moving on. For team A, Divyash, the Kaziranga Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which state of India? The time starts now.
Assam.
Okay, let's see whether it was right or wrong. Moving on to the next slide. The answer slide. It was absolutely right. 5 marks your team. Moving on for team B, Rajveer, the Periyar National Park and Wild Sanctuary is located in which state of India? And the time starts now.
Kerala.
Okay, let's see. Periyar is actually an elephant reserve. So let's see, and it's absolutely right. 5 marks for you. 5 marks for your team. Moving on.
Ma'am, the answer is
C, Vishrut,
Wildlife
identify the
Sanctuary.
wildlife sanctuary, famous for its tigers, leopards, and it's situated in the Indian state of Rajasthan. And the time starts now, Vishrut.
Sariska Wildlife Sanctuary, ma'am.
Okay, see whether it was right or wrong. Sariska is in Alwar district, was established in 1955. You're absolutely right. 5 marks for your team. Moving on to the next slide. We have the scoreboard.
So in the second round, Team A has scored 5 marks, Team B has scored 10 marks, and Team C has scored 10 marks, which brings their respective totals to 15, 20, and 20. Congratulations, teams.
So Team B and Team C are leading. Team A, you need to back up. Moving on. This is the round 3. Art, music, dance, folk and classical. The questions will be based on all of these. Now, on the next slide, please. We have the rules for round 3, which are as follows. Pictures will be shown related to the art and dance of India. Participants will identify them as per the turn of their name. A piece of audio will be played and participants have to identify the audio. Questions will appear on screen and will be read out by the quiz master. Teams will get 30 seconds to answer with the time starting once the question is read out completely. Each team will get 5 marks for the answer. There should be no prompt by the parent to the child with the answer. If done so, the team will be given 0 for that question. So please pay attention. Now for Team A, Trishula, nobody painting belongs to the state of India and your time starts now.
Bihar.
Okay. Let's see. Moving on to the next slide. Now I think you were absolutely right, Trishula. It's Bihar. Specifically the Mithila region. For Team B, Advait, name one form of drawing of Tamil Nadu, which is from rice flour. And your time starts now, Advait.
Man, kolam.
Kolam, that was really quick. Let's see. Moving on to the next, the answer slide. And it's called 5 marks for team. For Team C, Advait Singh, listen to the audio and identify the musical instrument. The time starts now. Audio is being played.
Sitar.
Advait, the time is passing. Guitar. Okay, let's see. Moving on to the next slide, the answer slide. Let's see the answer.
Sitar.
It's guitar and you score 5 marks. Your team scores 5 marks. Moving on to the next slide. We have another question. And this question will be for Team A, Divyash. Listen to the audio and identify this musical instrument. The audio is being played. The time has started.
Harmonium.
Oh, I don't think Divyash that was right. Moving on to the next slide, the answer slide. Let's see what's the correct answer. The answer is for this particular question is sitar. So you will be scoring 0 marks on this question. And now for Team B, Rajveer, look at the picture and identify this dance form of India. Your time has started, Rajveer. That was really quick, Rajveer. Let's see whether it was right or wrong. On the next slide, we have the answer. The answer is right. And it was absolutely right. For team C, we should
Manipuri.
look at the picture and
It's
identify
Manipuri.
the dance form. The time starts now, Shruti.
It's Manipuri. Manipuri.
Okay, that's really quick. Let's answer. And I think you were absolutely right, Vishrut. And the answer is Manipuri. Can we have the scoreboard for round 3 now? Okay, so here are the scores.
So team A scored 5 marks, team B scored 10 marks, and team C scored 10 marks, which brings their respective totals to 20, 30, and 30. Team B and C are competing for the lead. Let's see what happens in the next round.
Okay, let's see whether this breaks up in the next round or not. Famous Indians, parent and child. This is a parent-child round. So both the parent and the child will be in front of the camera, and the parent can answer on behalf of the child. Moving on to the next slide, the rules and regulations for this round. The rules for this round are as follows. There will be pictures shown related to the famous personalities of India. Participants will identify them as per the turn of their team. This is a parent round with 3 clues will be given. If you answer after the first clue, you will be given 6 marks. If you answer after the second clue, then you will be given 4 marks. And if you answer after the third clue, you will be given 2 marks. And in between any of these clues, if your answer is wrong, then the question will be cancelled and you will be given a 0. Teams will get 15 seconds per clue to answer. Marks will be provided on the basis of the answers given on clue number. Moving on to the next slide. We have the first question. And the question is for Team A. He is also known as the Iron Man of India. First clue.
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.
Okay, that was really quick. And that's absolutely right, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel ji. Moving on. The word Statue of Unity is dedicated to him. And also, he's popularly known as Sardar Patel. Moving on. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is the first Home Minister and Deputy Prime Minister of India. Now we have the next question. Get ready, Team B. For Team B, Advait and his parents. The first clue is on the screen. He is an Indian cricket player who is also a Lieutenant Colonel. The time has started. 15 seconds for this clue.
Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
That is really quick, ma'am. That was really quick and it's absolutely right. You'll be given 6 marks. He was also the captain wicketkeeper in DI cricket, Mahendra Singh Dhoni. And he's also known as Mahi. His nickname is Mahi. So as I said, your answer was absolutely right. You'll be given 6 marks. Moving on to the next slide. We have the question Team C, Advait and his parents. He is an informal track and field sprinter who was introduced to the sport while serving in the Indian Army. This is the first clue and the time has started.
Milkha Singh.
Ma'am, that was really quick and that's absolutely right. You need 6 marks. For Team C, 6 marks. He's the first gold medalist at the Commonwealth Games, Milkha Singh ji, and he's also known as Flying Sikh. As I said, your answer was absolutely right. You'll be given 6 marks. Congratulations, Advait. Now for Team A, Divyash and his parents. Your first clue is on the screen. And here we will be having your first clue. He founded India's first airline, Air India. The time starts now. Team A, Divyash. Okay, so the time is over. Here's the next clue. He's the founder of various institutes, including Tata Institute of Fundamental Research and Tata Memorial Hospital. This is the
Ratan
second clue.
Tata.
If you answer after this, you will be given 4 marks.
Ratan
Time
Tata.
has started.
Ratan Tata.
Oh, mama, I don't think that answer is right. It's JRD Tata. So for in this round, for Team B, it's a 0. Right now, it's a 0 for this particular question. Moving on. For Team B, Rajveer and his parents.
अरे ऐसे नहीं होगा ना टीम वाइज हो रहा है इनका एक गलत हुआ उसने गलत कर दिया
Pandit Birju Maharaj. Pandit Birju Maharaj.
He brought
था ग्राउंड
okay, Rajveer. He brought a lot of name to the classical dance form of Kathak. Please let me the clue and then only please answer to the question. Otherwise, your team will be disqualified, Rajveer.
हार नहीं टीम से जीतेगा बस
Divyash,
Okay.
please mute yourself.
So, Pandit Biju Maharaj, he choreographed famous songs like Kahe Chhed from the movie Devdas and He Rang Do Lal from the movie Bajirao Malani. His original name is Brij Mohan Mishra. That was absolutely right. You will be scored 6 marks. For Team C, Vishrut and Paint. The first clue on the screen. He was an Indian hockey player, widely regarded as a great in the history of the sport. Your time is started, Vishrut.
Major Dhyan Chandra. Major Dhyan Chandra.
Okay, that was really quick. Let's see. Yes, yes. That was absolutely right. Vishrut, and your team will be scored 6 marks. He was also known for his extraordinary goal scoring feats, earning 3 Olympic gold medals. So as I said, Chan, can we have the scoreboard, please?
So here we have the final scores. Team A scored 10 marks in this round. Team B scored 12 marks in this round. And Team C scored 12 marks in this round, which brings Team A's total to 30, Team B's total to 42, and Team C's total to 37. Congratulations, all the team.
As it's clearly visible that there is no tie now, and Team B is clear winner of all 4 rounds of this competition. Congratulations, Team B.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am.
You know, Leonardo da Vinci once said, learning never exhausts the mind. So even when you lose, you learn to right back. So other teams don't get disheartened. You all played really well. It was just amazing. You all were really quick. And especially Team B, congratulations. You all have done
Thank
a
you.
lot. Your hard work is really,
Thank you, ma'am.
we can see all of it. Now, I would request everyone to please be here in the meet. There's a special mention to respected directors, Mr. Gautam Rajgaria and Mr. Siddharth Rajgaria, as well as to Ms. Anupam Sagdeo, the principal of Deep Slava Nagpur, Dr. Pushpida, and our honorable principal, Mr. Mukesh Shilat, and our respected coordinator, ma'am, for giving us this opportunity. I would like to take this moment to thank all the participants who took out time from busy schedules to make this event a success. Thanks a lot to all the parents.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ayodhi, unmute yourself. Yes.
As was happened, thank you everybody and hope a great day. Jai Hind. I would request all the teams to please leave the meet now.